Hello and welcome to CourseFile.org. This is a video tutorial for faculty members and professors who will be teaching courses through using our system. So first of all, as a faculty member, you have to create your course in our system in order to use all the other features. So when you log in after registration and you see this create course button, so you click here. Will give you an option to create the name of your course. For example, in here I will create a course called say English 105. So you can see on left side there is a for example. So when I create this one, I get another course with the name I just created, English 105. And when I create a course, I get a unique CF number, and the number is ENG03771. It's random, and also it's unique. So as a faculty or as a professor, after creating this course, I will give my students this CF number so that they can find my course in the system. So that's the way they can find it. They don't have to search using the name. So when they log in, uh, they will search the CF number in here and they will find the course. And when they find the course, they will send a add request to your course, and if you go to the pending request section, you will see all the pending requests in each of the courses we're offering through our system. And you see all the details of the students, like their name, student ID, um, email address. So make sure when the students are registering into this system, they use their real name and real ID, student ID. Otherwise, if they use any fake information, you won't be able to identify if this is a real student or not. So then if you accept those requests, those students or those profiles will be added to your account. It will be added to your particular course. So that's how you create a course, give the students the ID and their finding, and they send you requests, you add them, then you will be listed in your course. And now I will show you what are the main features you can use through our system. So I will show you the example of this course, Bus 101.3. And I created a course, for example, it's called Bus 101.3, and here point 3 represents section 3. And it's pretty simple, basic idea that you have your announcement section. You write your announcement in here, and all the students, those who are listed, they will get the announcements right away, and they will find it in their site. I have another in the tutorial for students. It's explained in their site as well. So when you write your announcement, they get it. And you can write announcement like, say, if you change your time of your class, or if you cancel anything, so you just update them through this system. And you have the option to edit your announcement. You also have the option to delete your announcements. um, so this is focused based on study and educational environment. um, Next thing you have in here is your sections, that you have the freedom to create sections. So for example, I've created first section, and I called it lecture slide, and I uploaded few lecture slides in here just to show as an example. I can upload more by clicking this button. So that's how you create sections. Another sections I have created is I've created an instruction for assignment 1, and if I want to upload the instruction, I just click here upload and upload the doc file or PPT file to show the students how to prepare for assignment 1, something like that. So it's up to you what are the things you want to share with your students. You create your sections and you upload files in under each section, and you also have the freedom to delete any section if you want. If you delete that section, all the files inside the sections will also be deleted. So that's about home, and then you can create as many sections as you want. The next feature is called due dates. This is very interesting and very helpful, very powerful tool. In due dates, I will show you an example from this course, MIS 205. The due dates is, so as you can see, I'm in MIS 205 section 8. Due dates, it's as a faculty, you plan your whole semester. Like, you know when you're going to take your quizzes, you know when you're going to take your assignments, you know when you'd be taking the report or presentation, and when would be your meet or finals. So you have a plan for the 4 months or 6 month semester. So what you do at the beginning of the semester, you put all those due dates in the calendar. In that way, all the students will also know what's happening throughout the semester. And for example, say I've created quiz 1. It's on August 5, and it's due in class, and it's also giving you the reminder like how many days left, also counter like 2 days left. This one is 24 days left, and also it represents the color as well. If it is more than 12 days, 10 days, it's green. If it is less than 10, 12 days but more than 4, 5 days, it becomes yellow. If it is more than 4 days, it becomes red. And when it's running on the date of the due dates, it becomes gray, and it says that due today. So that's how the students will know what is due, when it is due. I just give you a short example. Say I am creating a due date, say for example on 14th. I select 14th, and the dates is already selected, and I write here that what I'm expecting. Say I'm expecting report from the student, and I'm expecting it to be submitted in file activity section. So I'll talk about file activity section in a short while. So when I create the due date, you'll see that a new due date is created, and it's saying that report 11 days left on 14th, and it's due on file activity section. So as a creator of a due dates or creator of a course, you also have the access to edit date and also delete a date. Say for example, I want to change the date for report. Say for example, some unforeseeable reason, you want to change the date for your meet, you want to change the date for your exam, so you can change it anytime. And say for example, I want to change the date from 14, I want to make it like say 11. So see, the date has been changed, and now I save the change, and you see the due date is changed. Now it's on 11th instead of 14th, and also the color is also changed, so now it's yellow. So you can see that when it's closer, the color changes, or vice versa. So that's due dates. So it's a different, like this is for MIS 205, so you can manage all the due dates in each of your courses, and all the students they will get it in their side as well. So when they log in, they will see, okay, what are the due dates, when it's due, things like that. Next section is file activity. This section is for just to receive files from student. Say here I've created one section, and I call it report submission. And student will be able to submit the report under this section. So in the student side, they will see a button called like upload files, and they will be able to upload their file in this section. And this file activity is based on one-to-one relationship, meaning only the student will be able to submit to you, and they will only see their files. So no student will see the submission from any other students, and as a creator of the course, as an admin of the course, only you will see all the files submitted under one section. So just like your assignment Dropbox, like when students submit assignments in a certain Dropbox outside of your office or in your office, something like that, but it's online, virtual, same concept. And if you want to stop receiving files, you also have the option. Say for example, your due date is like at 12. At 12 you can close it, or after a certain date you can close it, so that students will not be able to submit their files after a certain due dates or certain time. So if you click stop receiving files, this the upload button will be hidden in the student side, so they will not get any access to submit their assignment or whatever is due in this section. So you can create as many as section you want, say one for assignment 1, another for assignment 2, another for report, another for presentation. It's up to you how you want to manage your course. Next feature I will discuss is about the blog. And for blog, I have already some example created in this course. So if I go there, blog, basically you have the simple idea, like it's a discussion board where students and the faculty member and everyone will, TA, everyone will discuss their concern, if they have any questions, if they have anything that say as a faculty you want to discuss anything that it's for greater interest, it's good for everyone, so you discussing it in here as a blog. So students come here, read about it, talk about it. If they have any questions, they ask you in through the blog. And it will be like a history for your course as well. Say in next semester, students will also able to learn like what happened in the previous semester. So this is a general discussion board, and you also have the access to delete any topic, delete any comments if you want, and you can create as many as posts you want. And in the member section, it's a personal messaging system to your students, and also the students will be able to contact you. It's a personal messaging system. And in the member list, since I do not have anyone already listed in here, but if you click member list, you will see all the students, all the member listed under this particular course. So then you will be able to message, like contact them personally, and all same thing, they also will be able to contact you personally. So this is a complete platform to manage a course, so you don't need to use any other services. So all the features are in here. So you don't need to use social media, you don't need to use anything else, so you can use all the features in here, everything in one place. The next feature is central, and this is the most powerful feature in our side and very unique. You won't find it anywhere. So as you can see that it's collecting all the announcements, latest 2 announcements from all the courses I'm taking or I'll be enrolled in, and all the due dates I've created already. So it's also will be same for the student side as well. The student will see all the recent announcements in one place for all the courses, and all the due dates in one place for all the courses. So it's a great time management tool. It will give them a bird view of the entire semester of all their courses. It will help them to manage their time properly, to prepare for the courses, assignments, and meets properly. That's the main target in here, so that they can manage their time properly. So they can see, okay, for triple E, these are the due dates, how many days left, what is due, when it is due, where it is due, how should I submit, all the information in one place, and very helpful. Next, as a creator of the course file, uh, courses in the course file, you have a course settings. In course settings, you can manage your courses, all the access, how you want to manage your course. Say, for example, at the end of one semester, you are taking the same course again. Say, for example, I'm taking the bus 101 again next semester. And what I can do, I can unpublish the course. We have 4 options in here. Rename a course, if you want to rename a course. If you want to change the style, say from bus 11.3, I want to make it bus 11 section 3. So I can rename the course. Everything will be same. I'll just rename the course. I want to delete the course. Everything will be deleted. Even I won't be able to see what's in there. Published is like when it's published, and unpublished is when you hide it from everyone else. You will be able to see as a creator, but nobody else will be able to find your course using the CF number. So this feature is for when at the end of the semester you can unpublish the course and publish it again next semester, assuming you're taking the same course, and you don't want to upload the same slides again and again. You don't want to upload the blog and discuss the same thing again and again. So what you can do, you can save your files, what is up, and you just check this mark. It will save all the files uploaded in home, It will save all the topic and discussions uploaded in the blog, written in the blog. And when you unpublish it, it will say, it says, if you unpublish your course, all announcement, due dates, file submitted, and message member list will be deleted. Very simple. You don't want your announcements back in the new semester. You don't want your previous due dates back in the new semester, files and this kind of stuff. So you unpublish it, all the unnecessary things are gone. You save your blog if you want, you save your files if you want, and when you publish it again, it will be saved, and students will be able to find you again and will be able to add your courses again. And one good thing about due dates, that when that due dates is passed, it is deleted automatically, so you don't have to worry about whether you have to delete the dates or not. So it's deleted automatically in the due date section. So that's all in here. And in terms of um, uh, announcement, like what we can announce from our side, that we're not carrying any third-party advertisement, so you will not see any pop-up, any advertisement either side of the web application. So it's completely free from advertisement. And the main focus is to study, create environment of studying. No social chatting, no any other um, things that will take away the students from the study environment. So our focus is to make an environment good for study. So no advertisement will be posted in here. Plain and simple user interface, very user friendly and engaging user interface. You can see everything is clean and simple. So hope you like this feature and you use this feature. If you like this web service, please refer it to your colleague. And don't forget to like us, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Twitter, please. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much.